This is the Smith & Wesson SWTK8 set of 6 bullseye throwing knives. A cleverly designed, rugged black nylon belt sheath with individual protective pouches provides ready access and a handy home for the 6 blades of this handsome set of throwing knives. Cut from 2 CR13 stainless steel, tough enough to handle the high-impact hardness demanded of throwing knives. Each 4.7-ounce 8-inch spear point knife is precision cut for optimum balance and penetration. Each throwing knife wears the proud Smith & Wesson logo, also emblazoned in white stitching on the easily reloaded belt sheath. An adjustable Velcro strap keeps from 1 to 6 blades securely sheathed. A set of 6 throwing knives easily carried in a versatile belt sheath. The SWTK8 Bullseye Throwing Knife Set is a quality cutting tool designed for professionals.
This is the Schrade SCTK3 3-piece 10-inch throwing knife set. Rugged, handsome, and fun to toss, the SCTK3 throwing knife set comes with 3 10-inch throwing knives, a protective woven fabric belt sheath, and 3 paper targets. Each knife is forged from tough, break, and bend-resistant 2 CR13 stainless steel for years of use. Angular, old-world styling, a protective stone-washed finish, and stamped Schrade logo on the handle makes these blades as easy to look at as they are to throw. Weighted fronts ensure more sticks in your target than in the ground. Unsharpened edges means you can practice your no-spin throwing by gripping the handle, or test your spin throw skills by safely gripping the blade. When not perfecting your technique, all 3 knives are carried easily in this rugged, weather-resistant, woven fabric belt sheath. Inside, each knife tucks away, protected from contact with the other blades, in its own nylon sleeve. Rugged, affordable, fun to throw, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCTK3 3-piece 10-inch throw knife set.
From Master Cutlery's Perfect Point series of throwing knives, this is an incredible value, 9 throwing knives in a single set. This is item number PP0609. Now, these throwing knives are extremely well designed. Look how nice and pointed. Even a beginner can stick this very well into a wooden target, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 throwing knives. An entire set, more than enough. Very nice practice set, because you don't have to stop and go pick up your knife and throw it once and then stop and go pick up your knife. It's much easier to learn throwing when you have a whole set. You know, if you miss, you can correct, throw the next one, throw the next one. So almost a must-have if you seek to learn throwing. Now, these are smaller throwing knives. The overall length of each one is 6 1/4 inches. Of course, you saw the very nice nylon sheath holds all 9 straps there. Very nice. And here are all 9. Like I said, an incredible set. All that you need to begin throwing. These are light enough that you can hold several in your hand at one time and rapidly throw. Whether ninjutsu, Japanese-style throwing, Chinese-style throwing, no matter what martial art or just home taught, these are perfect for a thrower and a perfect gift for someone interested in getting into this unique and fun sport.